right, guys, so I got Mike here, and he's actually, well, I'll let you tell him where you headed out.
We're headed to West Palm Beach, Florida for the Motorcycle Expo, November 22nd and 23rd.
So this Saturday and Sunday?
This Saturday and Sunday, West Palm Beach Convention Center.
Nice. So it's going to be like a motorcycle show?
Yeah, it's a motorcycle expo. There'll be vendors from all over Florida, and a couple from up here too.
Nice.
A lot of bikes brands are going to be down there. Harley Davidson will be there. Indian will be there. Broward Motorsports is bringing a lot of different brand bikes out there, so they'll have some big booths set up.
Paul Jr. from Orange County Chopper is going to be with you, right?
Yeah, so Paul Jr. will be down there, and a couple other influencers that are in the Florida area. We're bringing, this is
yeah, so tell us how this started, because obviously it didn't look like this, but what did this start as?
This was your typical 2024 Harley Softail Heritage.
So the owner basically brought you a brand new bike and said, I want to build.
Yeah, there's 41 miles on this bike.
41 miles, okay.
So the bike was brought here brand new, black Heritage, you know, with the windshield and the bags.
Right.
So the bike got stripped down.
So let's go from, I guess, the front to back.
So we've got wheels.
DNA,
from
right?
DNA, 23-inch front wheel, Lindell brakes, American suspension calipers. Yeah, that looks so good. The fender's been stretched 7 inches. Front.
Yeah, that is crazy. Wrapped in what? Shinko tires, white walls.
Yep.
And paint by
Weights and Paints.
Where are they out of?
He's in the Orchard Park, New York.
Gotcha. Alex, let me tell you guys, that is absolutely gorgeous. You have to definitely be here and see it in person to appreciate it. That's why if you guys are in the Florida area, I would definitely stop by the show and take a look at it. I'm going to show you the 2 other bikes that Mike's actually bringing to the show. And then I guess he got it all custom engraved?
Yeah, so everything's been engraved. There's a guy out in Australia actually does this engraving over to black.
Right.
So that's all been done there. Shipped back here.
That's crazy. Did this take him long? Because it looks like
he's actually surprisingly he's pretty fast. So.
Really? Like,
yeah, I mean a few months.
Jeez, by hand, obviously.
Yeah.
I mean, this is crazy how intricate and how much work and how much detail, you know? That's pretty impressive.
Yeah.
And he's also going to be getting a different exhaust, right, with it engraved, but there's just no time now, right?
Well, we put the exhaust on. He wasn't 100% thrilled with it. So he wants to change it up, do something a little different, but it's about a 4-week wait time on the exhaust.
And you said something slash cut, right?
He's going to have a slash cut, like a slash cut on there.
And engraved to match.
Mufflers,
Gotcha. All right, so bars, you said it's like, what is it, beach style? Or?
They're a beach bar.
Yeah.
I believe I think it was Steady Customs that made them. Not 100% sure.
Record me. Let me just hop on this thing. Let me tell you guys how it feels. This bike, let me tell you, it's absolutely gorgeous. Just looking at the paint. Bars, I would probably rather a little, you know, maybe, what do they call, a little Carlini? But
yeah, you put the Carlinis, but this owner...
they look cool.
Which we'll see in a little bit. This owner's got 2 Cholos, so he's got this style and he has a Carlini style.
He does, right.
So he's got best of both worlds.
Damn, that looks pretty wild.
Yeah.
All right, so... Take us to the motor.
SNS 132.
Oh wow. Okay.
We've got a Cyclorama 515 cam in there.
Oh man.
We've got the T-Man no loss air cleaner.
Sweet. Yeah, 132.
132 motor.
132. Wow. Top end, like, so you had to build it, right?
Yeah, we had to build the motor. Stock heads. This is not a race bike.
Right.
Just want to get it to sound a little aggressive.
A little peppy sound.
Yeah, have a nice shop to it.
Right.
Bamco Motorsports supplied all the 12-point hardware for this thing.
Just beautiful bolts everywhere. Super nice, and some washers. Got the Figurati designs, right? Yep. Dipsticks and stuff.
Yep. We got the Billetworks swing arm.
That thing I love, because Mike actually told me this fits all Softails, so it means it would fit on a Lowrider ST, and that's also I was thinking about maybe getting, you know, if I get the Lowrider ST, I would probably put this swing arm. A little costly, but looks really good, no?
Yeah.
And what else? Same thing, Lindell rotor, right?
Lindell rotor, American suspension brakes.
Right. That looks great. And then DNA wheel, Shinko.
Another stretched fender in the back, 7-inch stretch.
Yeah, that looks so good. Oh, and it's also PPF, am I correct?
Yeah, we did have PPF put on it to protect the paint.
Yeah, that looks really, really good. So you were telling me there's a couple things that when you do come back, you're going to change up, right? Because there's no time.
We're going to do a little more powder coating. As you put these things together, and they start taking shape. You kind of see things as they're being built that you want to change. But we had kind of a tight deadline on this one.
Right. So there are going to be some parts coat.
Some change.
Yeah, some coating. Black, some other parts purple.
Yeah.
And you got what kind of clutch in here?
Barnett
clutch, Trask, see-through cover, derby cover. That looks awesome. Yeah, what a great job, Mike. It looks beautiful. It looks really nice. Oh, and the air ride. You got the
yeah, platinum air ride in the rear, American suspension air ride.
Can you just show me how it operates?
2 switches here.
Right.
This switch brings up the back. This switch brings up the front.
That is wild.
And then we've got our center stand down here.
Got the center stand right there. Pretty cool. Oh, that is awesome.
Now you're ready to go.
That is cool.
And when you park, drop your center stand, drop your front, and drop the rear.
Love it. Love it. So he's taken two other bikes and right here in this trailer. So the other bike you guys seen on a bunch of videos right here. This is his what year? 22?
22 Road Glide.
22 Road Glide. Just check out the videos. I already did a couple videos on this 135 stage 4. This thing sounds like an absolute freight train. It's nuts. 155 horsepower, right?
160 torque.
160 torque. Just an absolute monster. It's actually for sale too. Yeah. So give Mike a call here, 201-880-6440. And then he's taking the other Cholo. This one, black gold. This one won you an award,
yeah,
right?
First place.
And when did you build this one?
This one was built between March and May of this year.
Oh, this year, okay. So this bike, the Road Glide, and the other Cholo will be at the show this Saturday and Sunday. Definitely go by and say hi to Mike. Wow, this thing's it's just gorgeous, dude. Who makes the wheel? DNA or no?
These are DNA wheels.
DNA also. Too. Wow. You could actually build these wheels, right?
Yeah.
I see.
Spoke,
yeah.
pick your color, pick your hub.
You could like pick this. Yep. You could pick this. You could pick this portion of it. Everything, however you want it. Black chrome or all black, whatever. Wow. Just looking at it, you said this has what, like well over $100,000 into it, huh? Mm-hmm. Nuts. And same thing like this, like that's how he wants the exhaust on that one. But wow, so much. I mean, this one's just, it's engraved everywhere.
Yeah.
Holy cow. Wow. Yeah, you guys just definitely swing over there and definitely check out these bikes. They're amazing. This one's on an air ride too, right, Mike?
This one is on a very similar air ride.
Gotcha.
Front and rear.
Paint is beautiful.
Same painter.
Yeah, this one's with the Carlinis. That's nice. That's, I mean, just me personally, that's the style I like when I think of these bikes. Super nice. All right, so hopefully they'll see you down there. Another thing, you got the Stage 2 specials running.
Stage 2 special.
Tell them about it.
So, yeah, you pay for parts and labor. I pay for your dyno tune. So we'll be tuning the bikes for free, and that's for any stage 1, 2, 3, or 4.
Well, that's a great deal. So, like I said, give Torque Custom Cycles a call, 201-880-6440. Get your Stage 2, 3, or 4 scheduled over the winter. When you're not riding a bike, that's the best time to have your bike down. Maybe they'll see Holy Shift might come over there and say hi, right?
Said he might stop by Sunday.
All right, guys, we'll see you guys later. And hopefully, is there a show down there that you're, like a contest that you're
No, it's no contest, just an expo.
Gotcha. All right, guys, we'll see you guys on the next one. Just wanted to show you guys the bikes. Let me know what you guys think of them, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Peace out.